Look how full my pond is with the water lettuce. I've taken some out and fed it to the ducks, but it don't look like there's even any been missing. My lilies have to grow way above so they get some sunlight. Crazy. There's Miss Bailey, not on her leash, so she's gonna run away. Gotta stay here, Bailey. Yes, I'm talking to you. She likes to run away. She's a Great Pyrenees. Mocha is Great Pyrenees and Great Dane, but she doesn't run away. Mocha stays in the yard, but Miss Bailey likes to go see what's going on. Miss Bailey is a pretty puppy. Aren't you, Bailey? Yes, you are. She was a rescue, so was Mocha. It was one of those, either they find homes or they were going to put them to sleep. Well, I couldn't do that. I got a sucker on my forehead. These dogs are precious animals. I love them to death. What are you doing? You torturing this old lady? Oh. Found some wheat on the ground. They're so cute. They said they're so cute.
I will throw them pails over in the barn and the shovel and grab another pail.
What's in the car?
Jeep.
You hear my chicken. Fuck off. Mm-hmm. Grace hears her too. Grace hears her too. She's probably telling Grace off. Here goes the chicken. I gave him some more water lettuce this morning. Yeah. Yeah. They had gotten rid of all of it that I put in there. And I brought over the corn stalks that were left by the pond. I need a name for that chicken. Huh? Said I need a name for that chicken. Grace? Grace! Grace! Come on. Ouch. What? 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 What's wrong? What's wrong? So, is this seeing what I'm seeing, or is it like just going straight off?
I can't tell with your forehead, honey. The only way you can tell, you're going to have to take it off and look at it.
Okay.
Or when you actually look at your video, you'll be able to tell
Where it needs to go. What kind of feather is that?
What do you mean, what kind of feather is that? Either a duck or a goose.
Because it was in the nest with the eggs.
Probably a chicken.
No, but it don't look like any of our chickens. Or maybe it is. Are you spazzing? Huh? What? Huh? It doesn't even look like a young goose. It doesn't even look like that baby goose. The one with the black head you're talking about, right?
It looks like a female. Hey, Lucky.
Did you fill up these? You didn't fill these up?
Do you want to?
I fill them up every day. I use that hose. What are you doing? Hey, Henry. Hey, Henry. 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 How's Henry? Did you move the tarp? I got a little bit of wheat left, not much. Hi, Henry. Henry, how's Henry? Henry. Henry. Thank you. Everywhere you look, there's a rooster. Grace! 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 You don't need to eat that! Grace! Grace! Drop it! Grace! 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 What are you doing? Where'd she go?
Ooh.
Oh, there she is. Ouch. There's a hole. Crazy dog. Peeing dog. Might have to cut that out. We'll see, since I can't even upload a video. Having problems with YouTube. I don't know why. I don't know, but I use like Photoshop and stuff to upload my videos, but apparently it's not working so hot. I kind of like the GoPro thing though, with the strap, because then I don't have to hang on to anything. Of course, then I bring my phone with anyway. Right? Looks like they're all hiding. All the chickens are underneath the little tent there. What do you think, Grace? Hmm? I'm never sure if I have the camera in the right spot. And it's hard to see it out in the sun. What are you doing? Hey ladies! How you doing? They got most of the wheat eaten up. Not much left. Oop, put my hand over the thing and I didn't even know it. Clearing the coop out. So what got you? Grace? Henry get you? Hi, Henry. if you can see Henry. He's way up there. So you keeping watch of the chickens on the other side too? Are you telling me off again? Yeah. Yeah. Henry, aren't you cute? How's Henry? Henry, how are you? Okay. That's where he wants to perch. Well, that's good, Henry. My husband put a board up, but I don't think he liked where it was at because it wasn't up high enough. I think he wanted to be able to be up on top. Sorry about the wind. What are you guys doing? Playing in the water? Huh? Never a dull moment with animals. Especially the crazy dog. Right? Right. Wah, wah. What? What? What are you guys doing? Playing in the water? Huh? Never a dull moment with animals. Especially the crazy dog. Right? Right. Wah, wah. What? What? Now we'll see if Henry will let me in the chicken coop. Might not. You don't have to get down, Henry. You can stay up there. Yeah, just stay up there. Just stay guard. Okay? Yeah. Oh. Drop the camera. Trying to see if I can get a Henry in it. I think so now. Maybe not. I don't know. know. Just don't hurt me. Where are you going? You going over there? Grace, stop it! There's a broken egg in here. There. Got it out. You girls behave. Yeah. Right? Yes. Yes. Grace. Grace. Grace, you don't need to eat that. So are you keeping watch of the chickens on the other side too? Are you telling me off again? Yeah. Yeah. Henry, aren't you cute? How's Henry? How's Henry? How are you? Okay. Do you have any eggs? Are you gonna peck me? Yeah, you got eggs, but you're gonna peck me, aren't you? Jeez, Henry! Just get out of there. Can you just get out? Yeah, no. I don't have my gloves with. Just go. Thank you. They like to guard their eggs, but they hurt me in the process. I always forget to bring my gloves with. Alright, Grace, let's go. Are you guys okay out here? Huh? You okay? You fine? Good to go? Yeah? Okay. Henry, you okay? You look like you hit the wall in there. Well, he's not answering me. You must be hungry. Are you hungry, Henry? Henry. He just makes his little chirpy noises. Come on, Grace. Are you guys coming with me? Huh? Are you coming with? Where are you going? Come on. Let's go for a walk. You want to come with? Apparently they want to come with. Nope, maybe not. Another day at the chicken coop.